Hi friends, welcome back. And Rai is also saying hi to all of you. So I am Payal here, and today's video is going to be a little bit different and very interesting. So last week in community tab I have asked all of you that what are the things for one day you want me to do, and so many, as I have discussed also in my previous video, that so many of you wrote so many like beautiful things which I can do. So I'll say definitely that in today's video, you all, that is my YouTube subscriber, will be controlling my life for a day. For one day I will do the things that you all have like discussed, that you want me to seeing doing all that things. And yeah, I have read all the comments, and one thing which many of you, I think so maximum 50% of you wrote that Payal, one day take off from your work, relax and do the thing that you like. So first this video starting, the first thing I'm doing is that I'm relaxing. आज हम लोग घर बाहर ही खाना खाएंगे, and I thought today is the nice day as we are having holidays, so he's also free little bit and we are going out and we'll go little bit far. And I love this thing the most is going on a long drive with him and definitely with Rai. So the first thing is spending a quality time with my hubby while he's driving. So let's do that and let's see what are the rest of the things I'll be doing. So right now I am enjoying this beautiful view and definitely drive with my life partner, that is my beloved hubby, and बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. I feel so sometimes we all should do it. So we'll be reaching within 1 hour, and today we are going to Edison. थोड़ा outing भी हो जाएगा, and साथ में I will buy some Indian grocery store also. Not grocery store तो मैं नहीं खरीद पाऊंगी. I'll buy some Indian grocery. Everyone is laughing. I'll buy some Indian grocery. And yeah, many of you were writing, like told me to say something about my childhood memories, and so my childhood was amazing because from my daddy's side, my daddy had 5 brothers and 5 sisters, and it was not a joint family क्योंकि सब लोग बाहर काम करते हैं. But my grandfather, like house was in village and he was a businessman, but he never wanted कि कोई भी लड़का like will be in business. Like now I know business means a lot of tension, so he wanted everyone to work. Like my uncle whom I have introduced, he's a doctor, my one uncle is engineer, तो ऐसा ही था. And my dad used to work in bank, so every festival we used to go to my grandfather's house, and it was in village, so आप लोग समझ ही सकते हैं like the village fun. And he had a like lot of land because we had mill, rice mill, then हम लोग का dairy था, so lot of things हम लोग बहुत enjoy करते थे. And for that thing I think so till now, you know, any festival I always feel like enjoying क्योंकि मुझे बहुत like अच्छा लगता था. like any festival, कभी कभी तो as my dad was in a transferable job, तो हम लोग बहुत दूर चले जाते थे. like we used to go to other state, तब इतना आना नहीं होता था. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम लोग जाते थे, कुछ भी फेस्टिवल हो, we used to go and you know the village fun, all that fun, playing in the pond. पर फिर भी मुझे स्विमिंग नहीं आता है as my dad was in transferable job, so it was not possible to always go. But like most of my cousin brothers and sisters, like every one of them, they know swimming. और जो गाँव का जो मस्ती होता है वो हम लोग करते थे. So अभी भी बोले तो we miss that part. And now our cousin, we all have decided that once in a year like we all will meet, but again it don't happen because of Indian timing. You know, the kids in India, when they get their holiday, it's totally a different time compared to US. और मेरा जैसे दिसंबर में they do a like what to say, they do a की होवे family meetup, get together, sorry. So like December time they do a family get together, जो कभी भी नहीं होता क्योंकि राय का स्कूल रहता है. But like they have started and they send me picture टीनेजर, तब हम लोग वीडियो चैट करते हैं. सो इट वाज रियली फन एंड माय टीनेज स्टोरी. बेटर मैं अभी ना बोलूं तो ठीक है, बिकॉज राई इज देयर. बट टीनेज में भी हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा मस्ती करते थे बिकॉज ऑफ द सेम थिंग, दैट सो मेनी कजन सिस्टर्स एंड ब्रदर्स एंड दोज ऑफ यू who can relate to my story, who have so many cousin brothers and sister, like उसका मस्ती तो कुछ अलग ही होता था. So this was my sweet childhood memories, I think so, which I can nourish throughout the life. And always I keep on saying Rai also that we used to have so much fun. And yeah, now we'll be reaching and then I'll talk with all of you कि lunch पे मैं क्या खा रही हूँ. Maximum of you have told me to have some South Indian food or to have some Punjabi food or Gujarati. तो देखते हैं lunch पे क्या होता है. Till then, bye bye. So we reached right now and now we are planning that first हम लोग lunch खा लेंगे and definitely today as you all are controlling my life, आप लोग जो बोलेंगे मैं वही खाऊंगी. So most of you have told me to have some South Indian food or Gujarati food or Punjabi food. So let's see what I'll have. So right now we are in a restaurant known as Chapati and they have renovated the restaurant new और बहुत ही सुंदर बनाया है. And Rai was really excited, especially seeing the pictures. And for lunch we took chole bhature, which is a Punjabi authentic food मैं बोल सकती हूँ. And then as many of you wrote that have some Punjabi food, so मैंने सोचा चलो बाहर ही मैं थोड़ा छोले भटूरे खा लेती हूँ. But right now I am in a very strict diet, तो मैं बहुत ही कम खाऊंगी. And yeah, because many of you told कि to have Gujarati food, तो हम लोगों ने थोड़ा ढोकला भी लिया था. So as you all can see, I'm enjoying little bit of dhokla also. So two of the demand हो गया है, that is Punjabi and Gujarati food. So as you all had demanded, many of you told that Punjabi khao, many of you were like have Gujarati food. तो मैंने ढोकला भी लिया था and छोले भटूरे भी लिया था because I thought let me go totally like authentic मैं खाती हूँ. And definitely ढोकला is an authentic Gujarati food and छोले भटूरे भी पंजाबी food है. Sorry अगर मेरा pronunciation ख़राब है तो वो हो गया. Now let's see for dinner what I'll have. And really thank you all that you all told me to relax. तो अभी अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि घर में कुछ खाना पकाना नहीं है. And many of you were telling me that to make something. So definitely when you cook, wait I'll go. This is a cloth bin. So definitely when you cook at home तब तो कोई relaxation होता ही नहीं because so much of our time goes in cooking and then time goes in cleaning and all that. So thank you all, because of all of you आज मैं relax कर रही हूँ. And Rai is having some fun and we went to the grocery store and these Ganesh idols are so amazing, but मैं कभी भी ये सब नहीं खरीदती हूँ because these all are not eco-friendly. Grocery shopping is over and we are going home. And as today you all are controlling my life, so I thought okay I'll answer some of the questions जो आप लोग पूछते रहते हैं. And like in there also many of you asked me a common question that how I stay positive. And yeah, definitely I am also a human being. हम लोगों को भी तो stress तो सबको same ही है, especially in today's world. I don't think so anyone is there who don't have stress. We all have stress, but how I stay positive, and yeah, staying positive, how I do all of my household chores or outside work anyhow. So I always feel that even if we have a lot of stress, but definitely if we don't think that much, then we can be positive. And my dad always, he says one thing like, whatever trouble comes in his life, and trust me, many of the things I never discussed with all of you. Last year my mom, she had back-to-back 4 surgery, and it's not कि everything was planned. Everything happened like we didn't know also. Like something happened and 1 surgery, and nothing was planned. Like बोलते हैं ना, अचानक से सब कुछ आ गया. And if something happens, we are so far, we can't go immediately. Like morning she was fine, after 10 minutes something happened and immediately you have to do surgery. And my dad, he did everything alone, and my dad was so positive. Like I was crying here and we are like, we are coming, and my dad is like, what's the use of coming, abhi to sab ho hi gaya hai, kyunki there is, we have to do it immediately. And he was like, no, everything will be fine. So my, like kuch bhi hota hai, my dad always says one thing, that no, everything will be fine, no worries, everything will be fine. So I always feel, that if you want to stay positive, don't think that much, just let the way life is going, let it go. And instead of thinking too much, क्योंकि आप लोग ज़्यादा सोचेंगे तो we won't get anything. Only हम लोग का health खराब होगा, you might have heart problem, like pressure हो सकता है, and lot of other related problem. Instead of that, we should find the way how we can relieve our stress. And yeah, problem तो सबके life में होता है, but yeah, we should know that how to get out of problem instead of crying in that problem, क्योंकि cry का कोई solution नहीं होता है. And trust me, पहले like I was a very cry baby, especially कुछ, if anything used to happen, I used to worry so much. And my dad used to always say, like when we moved in this country, my dad used to always say that, Payal, you get nervous so much, how will it work? And I used to say, no, see, I will learn, life will make me, like sab sikha dega. And that's what, slowly I learned, we both learned कि कुछ problem होगा तो we only have to face and how to figure out like what is the solution. So I'll just say you one thing, that कुछ प्रॉब्लम आता है तो टेक इट विथ ए स्माइल. आई नो इट्स नॉट ईजी, मेरे साथ भी जब कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है ऐसा नहीं होता, बट डेफिनेटली इंस्टेड ऑफ वरिंग, लेट्स ट्राई टू फाइंड द सोल्यूशन. एंड या, जस्ट बी पॉजिटिव एंड keep on doing your chores happily. That's what I can say, that just be happy. So we are back home, and right now Rai and her dad, they both went for swimming, and it is a nice time for me to pamper myself, as many of you were requesting me that Payal, pamper yourself. तो मुझे लगा चलो, now the time is there where I can pamper myself. And yeah, many of you wrote me that to apply some DIY mask, but trust me, मुझे like मुंह में anything DIY से मुझे बहुत ही डर लगता है, because I don't know, 2-3 times it has happened to me that I have applied something and it went totally wrong, and फिर मुझे डॉक्टर दिखाना पड़ा. But yeah, there is one lip scrub which I don't use. कभी once in a while I make this scrub, especially in the winter time, but this is a very nice lip scrub and definitely you can make in home. This is, we just need 3 ingredients, that is little bit of sugar and little bit of honey and little bit of coconut oil. Take these 3 ingredients and mix everything nicely, and then scrub it in your lips for around 5 minutes and then wash your lips. So it's a lips थोड़ा बहुत little bit soft होता है, especially this scrub is like I feel very good during the winter time. So this I will be applying. So ये एक DIY, you all can consider it as a DIY mask. And then let me see what are the other things which I can do. So as you all have demanded to pamper myself, so here I am applying the lip scrub, and actually ये lip scrub बहुत अच्छा है, and it's a easy method you can do while you are cooking your food also in your kitchen. And now I'll be applying this Sephora sheet mask, and I have purchased this sheet mask long back, but today, because as you all have demanded, so I am applying this sheet mask, like little bit of pampering, and this much only, I don't pamper that much, but yeah, definitely this, I love using this sheet mask. And now I'm little bit relaxing and watching some of my favorite YouTubers whom I love to watch, especially when I'm free. So it's been around 15 minutes, and yeah, my sheet mask is done, and I really love sheet mask. Like if you have a dry to oily skin, I think so you can try all this sheet mask, especially it makes your face very hydrated. So finally, because of all of you, today I got the chance to pamper myself, and अच्छा ही लग रहा है, but only this much, इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ भी नहीं करती. So many of you were saying me to show my backyard, and ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, there is no any खजाना that I am hiding from all of you. But the fact is that मैं कभी खुद ही अपना backyard पे नहीं जाती हूँ, क्योंकि again I have to climb so many stairs to go down, so we just avoid going in our backyard. Like I don't know also last time when we went, कुछ ऐसा है भी नहीं, but definitely today I am following all of your requests, so I will go now and see in my backyard, and then you all will say कि पायल अच्छा ही है तुम नहीं जाती हो. So if you all can look, this is my backyard, which is not that much big, and we don't come here because I told you of the stairs and all. So this is my backyard, and I hope so from today you won't complain that I don't show you all my backyard. So now let's go up. So right now I will be preparing my dinner, और मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, you all will guess it only maybe after 5 minutes, but थोड़ा सस्पेंस तो अच्छा ही लगता है. And yeah, as सभी कुछ आज आप लोग ही बोल रहे हैं मुझे. So many of you wrote that how I deal with criticism, and if you all praise me, so how I deal. So I'll say, see, criticism, some of the criticisms are that I don't want to look also, because whatever you do, some people will always criticize you. So why to take stress, as I see. And now it's been more than 1 year, so I'm used to all that. Like some people are there, वो लोग आते ही हैं to criticize you. So why to write also anything? Earlier in the beginning I used to write them, but then I knew कि there is no use. So मैं देखती ही नहीं हूँ, and definitely YouTube has lot of features which we can use in order कि कोई criticize भी करे, so it will go somewhere else जहाँ पे आप देखेंगे भी नहीं, and you won't care also. Yeah, criticism in a lot of way, like if some criticism I also know that I like वो criticism perfect है, तो definitely I try to recover it. Like in the beginning many of the criticism was there that I am doing, especially when I'm doing the voiceover, it's like कि मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ. And trust me, when you are in the beginning it gets really hard, especially for me who never worked outside, who don't know anything about all these things also. And I am very bad in computers. मैं अभी भी बहुत खराब हूँ. That time I didn't know also that you can stop if something is wrong. So like for a small scene of maybe 30 seconds, I used to read it so fast, and जैसे कि मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ, because I didn't know also that you can stop it. So that after, you know, I think so one day my hubby saw, and he was like, why can't you stop it? And I was like, no, we can't stop it. And then he taught me that no, you can do it. So I was reading कि जैसे मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ. So that all positive criticism ठीक है, और yeah, you can criticize, but some of the criticisms are whatever you do they will criticize. So I don't say also, मैं देखती भी नहीं हूँ, I just take it as fun. And मैं कभी कभी when I feel चलो थोड़ा टाइम पास चाहिए, then I go to my spam video, like to my spam comment, और तब मैं वो सब पढ़ती हूँ, and then make fun of the things that they write to you. That is one thing which I can say. And right now let me prepare dinner, and both of them are back. So now swimming के बाद one more work is to take a shower. So here I am chopping veggies for our dinner. And आप लोग को क्या लगता है, what am I making? Just pause this video and definitely comment पे अभी लिखिएगा that what you think I'm making. And if many of you have guessed it right, I am making sambar, and I'm not showing the procedure with all of you, but I think so I have shared many times, and today I'll just show you all that. Yeah, for dinner I am making South Indian food, which many of you were saying me to do, and I am making sambar. And this is the Madras sambar masala. And yeah, I added zucchini in sambar. Trust me, अगर आप लोग यहाँ रहते हैं, you can definitely add zucchini. उससे बहुत ही अच्छा एक taste होता है. And let it boil for around 20 minutes. And my sambar is ready. So my dinner is also ready. We will be having sambar and dosa. Like I won't be having मैं सिर्फ सांबर खाऊंगी as it has lot of veggies also, and रात को nowadays I'm avoiding curve, so for that I'll be having sambar. And yeah, आप सबने देखा होगा that I have added a lot of veggies in sambar because my hubby he loves sambar like this. उनको like बिल्कुल भी कम veggies वाला सांबर बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. Dosa for them. And she won't be having sambar also. It seems she just wants cheese dosa, that's it. And I'm not making any coconut chutney and all क्योंकि रात को अभी मैं ये सब नहीं खा रही हूँ as I am on a little bit strict diet now. So वही हुआ. And many of you were, I think so many of you wrote that to make South Indian lunch, dinner, everything. So everything I didn't make, but see for dinner मैंने South Indian खाया. For lunch I ate Gujarati and Punjabi, and some of you wrote to do Mexican food and food from different parts of the world. वो that all video definitely I'll try to make some other days, but today I thought let's go little bit desi. तो अभी वही मैं डोसा बनाऊंगी and then let's see what I will do. So I'll be making dosa. I wanted to make idli actually, but Rai she don't like idli at all. तो चलो मैं डोसा ही बना लेती हूँ. And my hubby, it seems he just want to have one dosa. So this is dosa and sambar. Very simple dinner, and definitely this is also a typical South Indian food, you all can say. And yeah, I'm just having the sambar. And sambar बहुत ही filling है as we have so many veggies in it. So our dinner is over, and with this I will end today's video. And today's video I have enjoyed so much because I did all the things which maybe अगर normal day होता then मैं नहीं करती, but because of all of you today I did something different and it was fun, you know. I think so you all also can play this game in home, that दूसरे लोग decide करेंगे that for one day what you are going to do. So it was really so much fun, and I hope you all will enjoy this video. So if so, definitely hit that like button, do comment down below, and yeah, those of you who are watching me for the first time, please do subscribe. Bye everyone, good night.